You're here to understand what 23andMe is all about, right?
And how does it work? What does DNA even stand for anyway?
How about what's happening to the millions of genetic test results held by a now bankrupt Silicon Valley firm? Even before it officially folded, California's Attorney General advised anyone who'd given their DNA to the ancestry testing and genetic research company to delete it. Now, legal experts say a mass DNA sell-off may be next. Along with any financial and personal info 23andMe saved along the way.
They can then tell you your family lineage, your heritage, where you came from, and all of these very sensitive, unique information to a specific person. When the data is the asset of the company, that could be subject to sale or transfer, especially in the event of the bankruptcy.
Founder and CEO Anne Wojcicki resigned after her bids to buy out the publicly traded company were rejected. A US court will now decide what's to come of 23andMe's assets. Ms. Wojcicki says she's still seeking to claw it back from the sidelines.
I have resigned as CEO of the company, so I can be in the best position to pursue the company as an independent bidder.
Even as Oprah Winfrey spruiked 23andMe and sparked an ancestry testing craze in the 2010s, experts were warning of privacy concerns. At the height of her fame and wealth, Ms. Wojcicki was often asked what kept customers' DNA safe after they'd spat it out and mailed it to Silicon Valley.
Privacy doesn't mean not sharing, and that privacy actually means choice. And that people say, like, I want to have the choice to say no one sees my data, or I want to have the choice to say all my family sees my data, or make it public.
Nearly a decade later, the truth of those claims is being put to the test.
Now,
We get to spit?
you get to spit.